Let me show you how to make your melodies more interesting right after the intro. Yo, the name is God Science, still the solution career, providing solutions to your problems. Hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment and subscribed. Alright, so today I'm gonna show you 7 tricks that you can use to make your Afrobeat melodies more interesting. Okay, stick to the video, watch the video till the end, because one of it is going to change the entire way of you making your melodies. Very simple, guys. Alright, so number 1 on my list is to select the right instrument. Okay, every beat genre has a specific instrument that they use to make. For instance, Afrobeat, you have to use more of electric pianos, kalimba sounds, bells. Alright, so make sure you select the right element. Then number 2 is to make sure you make a simple chord progressions. Very simple chord progression will help you to make a banger or a nice Afrobeat. Make sure your chord progressions are simple. Number 3 on my list is to play with the notes. Alright, so play with the notes of the chord progressions. Very simple, guys. We're gonna start everything from scratch. Alright, so number 4 on my list is to make a simple lead melodies. Alright, they are like the talking melodies. Okay, so make sure you create a simple lead melodies. Then number 5 is to create a simple counter melodies. Okay, then number 7 is what? Add effect to your melodies. So right now, guys, let's move into FL Studio. Then we start doing everything step by step to make our melodies more interesting. Alright, so guys, after selecting the right instrument, this is the chord progression. Let's listen to it, which is the second trick. Make sure you create a simple chord progression. So let's listen to that. Alright, so the third one is to play with the notes. Alright, so you can add other notes to it. So I'm gonna add this one. Alright, then listen to them. Those that are not good, you just remove them. So let's listen to this. You can see this one is not okay, so I'm gonna change it. Let's listen. Okay, so alright, so what you can also do next is to play with the notes, okay, by sending some to high octave or low octave. So I'm gonna select this. Okay, then Control plus the up button to send this one up. Play with the notes. So now let's listen. I'm gonna bring this one back. Then maybe I'll play with this one rather. Send it a little bit high octave. Okay, let me bring this one back. Very simple, guys. So this is how to make your chord progression more interesting. One is to choose the right instrument, select the right instrument, then make your chord progression more simple. Alright, then the third one is to play with the notes by making some of them low octave or high octave, then adding additional notes to them. Very simple. So we move on to the trick 4 or the step 4, which is to create a simple lead melody. Alright, so let me play that one here like that. Now we're gonna add melodies to it, lead melodies. Alright, I'm gonna use hypersonic again. Let me clone it. And lead melodies, you can use more of kalimba sounds. Okay, kalimba sounds. So I'm looking for kalimba. Okay, let me use this. So create a simple lead melodies. I've created this simple melodies. Let me mute the chord progression. Then you listen to the lead melodies, make them very simple like that. Very simple, guys. So let's add that one to the chord progression. Then you listen to them. Alright, so the next step is to create a simple counter melodies. So this is the counter melodies that I've made. Let's mute the chord and the lead melody. Alright, so let's listen to the counter melody. I'm gonna on the metronome. Very simple, guys. Alright, so now let's add the three of them and listen the chord progression, the lead melody and the counter melody. Okay guys, so the next thing that you can do is to add effect to your melody. So I'm gonna route everything onto the mixer track like that. Then you add effect to them. The effect that you can use is EQ to cut off some of the low ends or the high ends that you don't want, or to brighten up where you want. And also the next effect that you can use is what? Reverb. So let's do that. Start with the chord progression. I'm gonna EQ it. Cut off some of the low ends. Cut off some of the high ends. Let me do that to the lead melodies. EQ it. Okay. Then you do the same thing to the counter melodies. So EQ can even make your melodies more interesting. Very simple, guys. So the next effect that you can add is reverb. Alright, so I'm gonna add reverb to the lead melodies like that. Increase the weight. Okay, then add reverb to the counter melodies. Very simple, guys. Cut off some of the lows like that. And the next thing that you can do is, guys, to pan your melodies. Okay, the counter melodies and the lead melody. So I'm gonna pan the counter melodies to a little bit right, about 25%. Then the lead melody also to the left, about 25%. Simple, guys. Alright, so guys, let's listen to the three of them now. Alright guys, so I added these drum loops to it. Let's listen to the drum loops first. Then I combine it with this shaker. And now let's add everything together. Alright guys, so this is the 7 steps that you can use to make your melodies more interesting. If you found this video to be helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Links to my previous videos too, also there, go and watch them. Some of it may help you. The name is Gosai, stay the solution career. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.